This Barleria looks very similar to the one I covered earlier, that buxifolia. However, some small differences seem to be there. One is this kind of a this after that flowering is over. This is a new thing. This kind of a some mustache coming out. Then otherwise, general appearance is the same, similar. And then it's extremely hardy. It's a very bad location. Slope with fire has happened. The original plant was almost 2 feet tall, this much. Then after the fire, the top part has died. And then from the base, the new growth has happened. Even though this year we didn't have summer showers in Bangalore, and nevertheless this one has come out very well after the fire, and recovered, and growth also is quite good. So the conclusion what I would draw from this is that these are the type of plants that Bangalore people should be growing, because it doesn't require water, it doesn't require care. Your maintenance cost will be almost zero. Moreover, it supports the local biodiversity of your area, and it is aesthetically very pleasing. So it has all the characters. Moreover, when you look at it closely, it's very beautiful also. And then if it is well protected, it can grow up to 2 ಅಡಿ ತನಕ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಈ ಗಿಡ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೀರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಳ್ತೋಗುತ್ತೇನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಟ್ಟು